Hey guys, this is for the people who might have been absent or forgot what we did in our Google Meet yesterday, December 1st, Tuesday. So if you were in class, we are just gonna, today's flex day assignment is to finish assignment 9, which is essay draft 1. If you were gone yesterday, here's a video explaining what we did. So yesterday we started an essay. And if you go under classwork, you can see it as the description of the essay assignment. So click here, and on the left it has an assignment sheet where it tells you what our essay is about. And on the right is an example or model essay. So the assignment sheet will tell you that you are writing a character analysis essay about either Captain George Pollard or First Mate Chase Owens, and you're going to answer the question, is this man an effective leader? Why or why not? And you're going to have to argue that he has certain character traits and find examples from the book that prove he has those traits. It'll be 5 paragraphs, and the draft that is due today, you only need 3 paragraphs, the intro paragraph, 1 paragraph that's supporting, and 1 paragraph where you address maybe the counter argument or people who would disagree with you. So I'm going to jump right in. Now, this assignment right here, it is technically optional. It will be graded if you do turn it in, but it is extremely helpful. So if you were gone yesterday, I would highly recommend that you do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. So in this assignment, you'll see that it breaks it down by each paragraph. So I'm telling you what each paragraph of the essay needs. And I have some sentence stems where you can kind of almost fill in the blanks. So here's the one I want to focus on. This is your thesis. You're allowed to change the wording if you would like. So it says, while blank is blank, in the end, he is or is not an effective leader because he is blank. So step 1, you need to choose the character you're going to write about. So you have either Captain Pollard or First Mate Chase Owens, who looks like Thor. So I'm going to use Chase Owens. And the next step is to choose. Do you think he was or was not an effective leader? So I'm going to say he's not an effective leader. And by effective, that means a positive, or not necessarily positive, but a helpful, good leader who did a good job, right? And effectively led his people. So now I need to decide some traits that he has. So I might scroll down, and underneath on the second page, I have a bunch of character traits list. So you can look at all these and figure out some of the words that he might be. Now I'll scroll back up, and I'm trying to say he's not effective. So I want to do some more negative traits. So I'll say, ooh, I think because he is cruel and authoritative. Right? So these more negative words. Now right here in the orange, it says counter argument trait. So that's where I need to admit maybe the other side of the argument. So while my argument is that he's not a good leader, I need to say, okay, some people did think he was a good leader because maybe he was hardworking or he kind of slightly changed to be more compassionate. So I'll say, while Chase Owens is hardworking, so I'm admitting, you know what, there's some people might argue against me. In the end, he is not effective because of these traits that I think he has. So you need to do different traits than I have. So once you have that thesis decided, I'm going to show you guys how to do the support and counter argument. So you'll fill in the blanks. And again, you're allowed to change what you would like, but I have it organized with the topic sentence where you introduce the quote, analyze the quote, and then the conclusion sentence of a paragraph. If you need to find your quotes, I have quotes for both Captain George Pollard and First Mate Chase Owens down here. So I would find 2 supporting quotes that prove that he is cruel. So maybe this paragraph, I'm going to prove that he's cruel. And in this paragraph, I'm going to prove that he's authoritative. Or maybe, you know what, I'm going to change it and say maybe selfish. Ooh. All right. So then I need to find 1 quote that shows he's cruel, 1 quote that shows he's selfish, and over here in the counter argument, I need to also find 1 quote that proves that he's hardworking, because in this counter argument paragraph, I'm going to be acknowledging that maybe he has this good thing, but I'm going to argue that even though he has this good thing, I still think he's not effective. So when you're done with the frame, a lot of people, what they did was copied and pasted it and into draft 1. So assignment 9, it's due at midnight. And this is a Google Doc where you can write and copy and paste the first 3 paragraphs of your essay into here. And I have the outline.